Hi guys, here we've got Huawei Nova Y61 and let me show you how to check total screen time here. So at first open the settings, then find and select digital balance right here. Click on start, tap on me and then OK. And here you will be able to reach your screen time. So as you can see here, you've got the detailed info regarding your phone usage. So each app and time spent on this app is located right here. You can also set some rules if you wish, app limits, and also away time. So this is it. This is how you can keep your digital balance. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.